That's our team. That's for Pukle.
I'm not a pro at dancing. So जब एक ऐसे आइटम नंबर आपको दिया जाता है, and especially you know with Saregama with so much of, and you know इतना प्रेशर था because entire Saregama team was like, Mia, we are rooting for you. You know this song is our original song and we have so many hopes from this. So मैं उतनी nervous होती चली गई. So all I could do was just, you know, I started cycling more, I started working out more, I stopped eating. रिहर्सल्स जहाँ एक एक घंटे की रिहर्सल्स होती है, मैं वहाँ 3-3 घंटे रिहर्सल हॉल में रहती थी बिकॉज आई वाज सो नर्वस, आई वाज सो अंडर प्रेशर एंड आई डिड नॉट नो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू पुल दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सॉन्ग ऑफ बिकॉज हमने अपनी कंट्री में आई थिंक द बेस्ट आइटम नंबर्स हैव बीन चर्नड आउट द विमेन, यू नो टेक इट कैटरीना कैफ और मलाइका अरोड़ा खान और यू नो छम्मा छम्मा उर्मिला मातोंडकर. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स आर देयर एंड देन दिस वाज देयर. सो आई डिडंट वांट टू be a mediocre. So मैंने अपनी जान दी इस सॉन्ग के लिए. I mean I think my best, but फिर भी अगर नहीं निकल के आया, I am sorry, but I was very very happy and how I'm looking, yes, I loved myself in this. I'm sorry.
साइकिलिंग के साथ साथ डाइटिंग भी की आपने?
मैंने डाइटिंग भी, मैंने खाना ही छोड़ दिया था. मतलब I didn't know because it is just my thing, you know. Once something, I wanted to look very very fit for this song. I wanted to do full justice to the outfit that they had given me. It's like a full kamariya and so I just wanted to, I don't know. So एक दिन नहीं, मैंने 7 दिन शायद I'd been eating just quinoa and little food and I don't know. और रिहर्सल करते करते कई बार चक्कर भी आ जाते थे बीच में. But I just went all out and I'm so happy this is the outcome of the song. And once एक चीज़, एक प्रोडक्ट अच्छा निकल के आता है, सो आपकी सारी मेहनत इक्वल हो जाती है. तो मैं एक दिन में आई थिंक जिम किया और साइकिलिंग किया. मतलब मैं आई थिंक आई हैड फीवर ऑल्सो वन नाइट. आई डिडंट नो इतना कुछ, मतलब एक्सर्शन का अलग लेवल था. बट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू गिव टू दिस.
Cycling of course has been all over and now we know it was for Pukle. You know, आप अपने आप को स्क्रीन पे देखते हो, how happy are you to see yourself? Of course you're looking lovely and we feel the song on you, it's looking lovely. So what do you have to say on that?
I feel that the nervousness level goes to another this thing because सब बहुत expect करते हैं मेरे से, मेरी looks, मेरा ये. तो मैं हमेशा अपने इतना psyched out हो जाती हूँ that I have a meltdown. I think I have cried before this song because मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था that I will be able to do anything. I will look nice. So there is so much of headache that I take, you know. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. So I had many meltdowns before I did this, and I had jitters and I shiver and everything. I mean I've gone through all those phases just to make it right, just to look right, and even to get one look right, it takes like 100 efforts from my side. I don't know, but if it's just, you know.
You always look glamorous, you're looking gorgeous, and there's such a nice home factor to the whole song, you know, the clothes, the look, the hair, makeup. So what's been your input in the whole, you know, putting it together? Because we know you are, you know, complete diva and when it comes to style. So what do you have to say on that?
That's what I just said. I did everything I could, whatever was in my hand. The Saregama team had rested their faith in me. I didn't want to let them down. Every day, I think Rashna, Radhika, everybody, the business head, they used to text me. And even after the song came, I think the business head of Saregama texted me that you will be proud of yourself when the song comes out. Then they wanted me to see the song. So I realized that they are so happy. I'm sure it must have been something nice. So I did what I could, and I'm very happy this song is